بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وسيد المرسلين. Welcome to Theme 1, Unit 2, Grade 12, Engage with English. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. What is a name? But before going on, we are going to discuss the learning objectives in here. First of all, you are going to ask and answer questions to complete a task. Then you are going to review the different usage of the past simple and the past simple passive. Okay, let's start with this lovely rose in here. Once William Shakespeare said, "What is a name? That which we call a rose by another name would smell as sweet." In here, William Shakespeare is wondering if we call this lovely rose with another name, for example, like a pen or whatever, would it smell the same? Would it be, would it be as sweet as the same? So when here he's saying that sometimes names has no relation with the quality of things, and sometimes even that, names, could, tell something about the identity of the thing or the product. If you remember, we talked about something called brand name. Let's have a look at this question. Do you buy things because of the name of the brand or because of the brand name, and why? Most of us, or some of us, go to restaurants or cafes or souks because of the name. They would like to tell their friends that I have been in such lovely, prestigious place. And some others, they don't care about the name of the product or the service or the place itself. They care about the service. They care about the thing that they will get from that place. What brand names do you like or dislike? Maybe you went through the market or the souks and you may like some brands, some names, and you may not like some other names. Today we are going to talk about a very lovely story about one company that used a wrong name in a wrong place, and that affected their sale of their product there. Let's have a look at this lovely story in here, the history of branding. I need you to read this essay in here or text in here. Be careful. Look for the general idea in here, and I'm going to ask you some questions and I need you to answer those questions. You may take notes in your exercise book there. So now you can stop the video, and as soon as you finish this part of reading, you will move to the second part. Go ahead. Here we are again. I think you have read the text there. Now it's time for asking you some questions. The first question, how many companies are mentioned in the text? 2, why didn't the Chevrolet sell well in the Latin America? 3, what is Oman Air's logo? Okay, let's go to question 1. How many companies are mentioned in the text? Let's go through them. Chevrolet, they talked about Adidas, they also talked about Coca-Cola, and last thing they talked about Oman Air. These are the 4 companies that have been mentioned in the text. 2, Do you remember the story of the car for the Chevrolet? Why didn't the Chevrolet sell well in the Latin America? Yeah, because they chose the name of Nova, of a new car in Spanish. Nova means it doesn't go. So the Chevrolet Nova did not sell well in Spanish speaking markets. They choose the wrong brand name for their car. The last question, what is Oman Air's logo? If you remember the logo, it's a swirl of frankincense smoke in modern design. That smoke, frankincense smoke, a very nice, lovely logo. Okay.